Hey guys, it's me again Carla and welcome to another video. So for today's video guys, I have here another tutorial video for you on how to unseen the messages from your friend or from your relative. So without any further ado, let me start the tutorial. So first is let's open up my messenger. This is my personal messages from my friend and I'm going to show you on how I did the seen unseen trick on Facebook using my iPhone 7s Plus, and this is how I do it. So just tap the message, long press, and there you go, you can see the messages. And then if you wanted to unseen those, you've seen the glimpse and you wanted to unseen those, just tap outside. So there you go, it shows that you haven't seen or read the messages they've sent from you, and it doesn't notify them that you've seen the messages that they sent you. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and please turn on your post notification to be able to be notified whenever I uploaded a new tutorial video. So see you guys on my next one. Bye. Peace.